Hello. First, open TaskHug.com. On the home page, click on the Image Tools section. Now open the Image Resizer tool. Click on the Select Image button. Choose the image from your device that you want to resize. After uploading, go to the Resize Settings section. Enter the new width in pixels. Then enter the new height in pixels. Make sure the Maintain Aspect Ratio option is turned on, so your image keeps its proper shape. Now click on the Resize Image button. Please wait a few seconds while your image is being processed. Once the resizing is complete, click on Download Resized Image to save your resized image. Your image has been successfully resized. Thank you for using TaskHug.
Subscribe now to get access to free tools.